Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at an interesting indicator. This indicator is quite unique and it's a custom indicator. So if you want to make use of it, you will have to download it from a reputable source online. And after downloading the indicator, obviously you would have to add the indicator to your folder, your indicators folder. This is the MetaTrader platform, so you will need to add the indicator to your indicators folder. All right, so you copy the file of the indicator after downloading it and you paste it in the indicators folder for your MetaTrader platform if you are using the MetaTrader terminal. Okay, now the name of this indicator is Bheurekso. I don't know if I pronounced this correctly. I'm just going to type it just in case. Okay, so it's quite a unique indicator, and um I think I like the name. Name is I don't know what language this is, but it looks interesting. It's called Bheurekso. I hope I pronounced it correctly. It's Bheurekso Pattern Indicator. All right, this is just in case if I didn't pronounce it correctly, so that you can see the spelling. The Bheurekso Pattern Indicator. I'm just going to add the indicator to the chart right away. So this indicator has quite couple of features, interesting features. The indicator can really help you to improve your technical analysis. Yeah, because it automatically recognizes candlestick patterns. Right, it's really interesting. It automatically recognizes candlestick patterns for you. Okay, and not just that, a variety of candlestick patterns from bullish and bearish engulfing to bullish and bearish harami, and all of that. The indicator scans all the candles basically, and it helps you to identify key pattern formations instantly. All right, as you can see how, as I just loaded the indicator to the chart, all these things just came out immediately, right? So it's quite interesting. Now, this Bheurekso pattern indicator, it also highlights critical support and resistance levels. As you can see, all these things just appear at once on the chart, so you can be able to use them to know potential reversal points. The indicator makes it easier to pinpoint ideal buy and sell entry points. So whether you are a seasoned trader or you're just getting started, the Bheurekso pattern indicator streamlines your chart analysis, making it faster, right? Making your analysis relatively faster. Now let us just analyze this indicator for a bit, right? So we can see that one of the things that this indicator does is that it identifies candlestick patterns for you, right? So we can see now here we had a bear, is it bear line? That's a pattern that the indicator identified, a bear line, and then it indicated that this is a trend reversal pattern. And in addition to the fact that it is a trend reversal pattern, the indicator also identified that moment as a sell opportunity. So this indicator not only tells you the candlestick pattern that forms, the indicator also tells you what that pattern means and tells you when to enter the trade. So we can see that it identified the pattern as the bear line, and then it's indicated that this is a trend reversal pattern, and it says that it is a good time to enter a sell. So after getting this signal, you can decide to enter a sell and set your stop loss above the swing high. All right, now after setting your stop loss, then you can watch out for a bull signal or a bullish signal from the indicator. If you want to use the indicator to determine your exit, then you will want to watch out for a bullish signal from the indicator, and you will use that to exit your sell trade. So let us check for when we had a bullish signal from the indicator. Okay, we had a bullish signal here. Can we see that all these were bearish signals? They were all bearish signals, as we can see. So this was where we had a bullish signal. So this would have been where we will exit our sell trade. Okay, if we had exited our sell trade here from the signal from this indicator, that would have cost us about, wow, this is quite big. That would have cost us about 2,350 pips or thereabout. Okay, now let us just analyze this indicator further, because this indicator is quite a comprehensive indicator. It's an indicator that comprises of a variety of price action related things, right? So it can help you to not just know when to buy and when to sell, but understand what price is doing, right? So we can see the next signal that came out was a bear engulfing. Okay, where is it? I think it should be here. This should be for this, right? Because this is a bearish engulfing. So we had a bearish engulfing here, right? And then the indicator tells us that, okay, drastic exchange rate entry for sale. So you can enter a sell right after the bearish engulfing, and you set your stop loss above the engulfing pattern. And then your take profit can also be when you get a bullish signal, which should have been around here. Okay. Now, also note, you can actually use other indicators to confirm your exits. Okay, you don't have to wait for a bullish signal from the indicator before you enter you exit your sell. But if it was a buy trend, for example, remember this is a sell trend. That's the reason why we're seeing that, all these were bearish signals. Okay. Now, for the fact that bullish signal form here, is possible that a bullish reversal could be about to happen. Okay, so this is a sell trend. That's the reason why we are having mostly bearish signals. So if it was a bullish trend, we'll be having mostly bullish signals, and then you can use bearish signal as your exit for a buy trade, right? But you can also use other indicators to confirm your exits, please. Now we can see that the next signal we had was a bear engulfing again. Okay, I think we had the bear engulfing. Okay, this line, we can see that the line is actually pointing. Okay, we had a bear descent line first, right? We had a bear descent line. That was another sell entry, and then we had a bearish engulfing. I think it should be somewhere here. Okay, that was another sell signal, and we had another bear descent line around here. This was another sell signal. So we had multiple sells. Even if you missed the first one, you missed the second one, and all of that, you would have had more opportunities to enter a sell in this trend. So now this indicator is actually good for a trending market. All right, in a trending market, you can find this indicator very, very useful. Okay, so you will have multiple opportunities to enter a trade in the direction of the trend. All right, so even if you want to open multiple trades in the direction of the trend, you will have multiple opportunities. The indicator will show you multiple opportunities to enter a sell in a sell trend, or to enter a buy in a buy trend. So you could stack up positions in the direction of the trend, and then you exit whenever you have a bullish signal, or you can use other indicators to confirm your exits. All right, so this Bheurekso pattern indicator is quite interesting. As a newbie, the indicator can even help you to learn about some candlestick patterns, because the indicator will show you what the name of that candlestick pattern is. So even if you do not have a prior knowledge of such candlestick patterns, the indicator can actually show you how that candlestick pattern looks like, because as you can see, there is a label, right? You can see when this bearish engulfing form, there is actually a label, this line pointed to the candlestick pattern. So it's not just gonna write the pattern for you, it's gonna point to that pattern, so you will know exactly how the pattern looks like, right? We can see this pattern was pointed by the indicator. This one again was pointed. It keeps on pointing the indicator, and it kept on pointing the pattern. All right, the candlestick that that has that pattern, so that you can actually understand it better. Now, when you want to use indicators to trade, in as much as it's doing a whole lot of things for you, make sure that you observe proper risk management. Do not trade an amount you can't afford to lose, and make sure that you use good risk to reward ratio when you are entering your trades. Okay, do not risk more than 2% of your capital in one particular trade, and then try as much as possible to maintain a good risk to reward ratio. For example, if you're risking $1, you should be targeting to make at least $2. That is to be a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, right? So I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, stay smart and stay profitable. See you in the next video.